Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Twitter. Before I get into it, kindly I'll ask you to support this channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Now to begin with, once you are logged into your account, go and tap on your profile picture that is on the top left of your screen. Now from here, look for the setting and support section, and under it tap on settings and privacy. Locate a function called your account and tap on it. Now from here you can see that you have access to your account information that can help you to change your account information. You can also change your password, you can download an archive of your data, and as well you can deactivate your account using this option. Now for our case, we just want to change our username. So for you to change your username, just tap on account information. Now from here you can see your username, tap on it. As you can see, you have your current username, and from here now you can edit your username, come up with a new one, and if it is available you'll see the green button and go ahead and tap on done. When you tap on done, you'll go back to your profile and you'll find the changes will have reflected. So that's how you change your username, and remember that username cannot be shared by any other person, and that's why if the username is taken, you cannot take it or you cannot use it. So by following these few steps, you will be able to change your username on your X account or Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.